right, everybody. Yes. I'm actually going to do a review on the OONI pizza oven. I have the OONI 12, the Coda 12. There's a bug on that. Oh, there's a bee. I'm waiting for my dough to rise. So I think what we're going to start off with first, we're going to cook a ribeye steak in this OONI pizza oven. So I already have it set up and I put the stone in already. As you can see, I've actually used it before. So the 3 legs are up and we're going to be using this pan right here. I made a steak while I was in Colorado, but I didn't do a vid on it, so I figured I might as well do a video for everybody. We're going to take this out of the, the grizzler pan. I'm just going to put the box over here. So before I go over the pan, I want to show you how to start this, the OONI 12. There's actually a button on the back side of it. So I have it connected to a little 5-pound propane tank. You can actually connect it to a 25-pound or whatever size tank that you have, because you have a regulator on it. It came with it. So here's the back side. We're going to focus right into there. And here's the oven. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the gas on. So the gas is open. I'm going to go ahead so you got to hold it for a bit or it'll go out. Just like a pilot, like on a hot water tank or anything like that. Okay. So now we're going to let it warm up, and I do suggest getting one of these thermometers that tests. It'll tell you the temperature of the stone. So we have a steak. I took it out to let it warm up to like air temperature. It's still a little chilly, but it's probably like 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches. And I'm going to season it right before I put it in. Now this has been warming up. Let's go back over here. Take it down here. Alright, so this has been warming up probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I'm going to take a quick temp of the stone. It's like 665, 650, 700. Ow, closer you get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this OONI cast iron and I'm going to put it right in here because I want this thing to heat up. There we go. Oh, that's hot. Woo. So it's going to leave that in there probably for 5-10 minutes just to let that cast iron heat up. So the pizza oven is ready for the steak. So I'm going to take some salt and some pepper. That's all I'm putting on here. All right, here goes nothing. Woo, woo, woo. I got my thermometer. Where's my phone? I'm setting it up for, it suggests 90 seconds each side. So this is what we're going to do. I got a stopwatch. Grab some tongs. All right, make sure that's going. Oh, that's hot. My life be like. All right, start it. All right, we're going. 5 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wait, 90 seconds. 60. Okay. 60, 70, 80. 9 seconds left. Now let's do this live. All right. We're going to take it out and we're going to flip it. My life be like ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got even the OONI writing on it. Woo! Ow! All right, minute second. All right, 5 seconds. All right, done, according to OONI. Look at that. Put it on the wooden board. Woo! Oh, it is not done. Still 88 degrees. Yikes. According to the thermometer, it's only 87 degrees. And I did this in Colorado. It came out perfect.